Olwaleero Sipiika wa Palamenti ey'ekumi Jacob Oulanyah eyalondeddwa olunaku lw'eggulo alambudde ebitongole ebyenjawulo mu kiti kye nga Sipiika omujjuvu n'abulira banaakola nabo emirimu enteekateeka ze n'ekigendererwa eky'okutambuza obulungi emirimu gya Palamenti. Mu baalambudde mwe mubadde akola ku nsonga z'abamawulire mu Palamenti okusobola ng'ono kinajjukirwa nti yasibirwako ebweru wa woofiisi mu Juni wa 2019 bwe yafuna obutakkaanya n'abadde Sipiika Rebecca Kadaga. Abakozi ba Palamenti abamu babadde mu kulingiriza okusobola okulaba ku mukama waabwe omugya wadde nga mu kizimbe kye kimu mwabadde akolera emirimu nga amyuka Sipiika mu kisanja ekiyise. Ono alambudde ne woofiisi yakulira ebyokwerinda mu Palamenti oba Sergeant at Arms. Oluvannyuma ategeeza bannamawulire nga bw'ayagala baminisita balondebwe mu bwangu kisobose Palamenti okukola emirimu gyayo ng'ekisinga beetegekera okwogerako omukulembeze w'eggwanga okwetteeka okuba mu mwezi ogujja ssaako okusoma kwa budget.
We have a president without a cabinet, and those are things we should deal with first. And then also we already have the State of the Nation address coming up early June. Today is 25th. We don't have too many days left. First thing that the president was going to do, and which we have to handle, is the appointment of the vice president and the prime minister. Those ones are discussed by Parliament. The approvals are done directly by Parliament.
Ono era ayagala n'obukiiko bwa Palamenti bulondebwe mu bwangu.
I have talked to the leaders of the various parties informally, because now they don't have their leadership as well in Parliament. Informally, to start thinking of names that could come so that we can constitute the appointment committee as soon as possible, so that in case this thing comes, the formation of government start, we are able to process them.
Oulanyah mu kulambula abakozi abategeezezza nga bwe kyetaagisa okukolera awamu.
I say I want you and the staff under you to release all the energy you have, all the positive energy you have. We should have no reserves. Let's serve this institution, because this institution is the people's institution. Let's serve it and serve it well. We should not carry grudges.
Congratulations.
Akisimbyeko essira twakola n'abantu bonna omuli abamuwagira n'abatamuwagira.
There is no need going viciously against another person. There must be limits. If you are playing a game, you are playing football. If you kick somebody and it's a foul. I tried as much as possible to avoid any foul in what I said and what I did. I tried to be very civil. But just in case one slipped, or in case people who volunteered to do things for me did something that went beyond what should have been done, I truly apologize and ask for those affected people's forgiveness.
Ategeeza abakulu mu bitongole bya Palamenti nga bwe watali ajja kusibirwa bweru singa abaako kyayagala okumutegeeza oba okumanya.
My office does not require an appointment for the people at the level of directors, and of course standard for members of Parliament. It has never been. So I was encouraging them. I say, come. You have an issue to discuss with me as Speaker, just walk, knock the door open. I'll see you. If I have a member of Parliament in, I'll ask you to wait. But if I have my other people in, I'll ask them to leave and I first finish. Because by the time a director in Parliament is coming to see the Speaker, the matter is important.
Oulanyah yawangudde abadde Sipiika Rebecca Kadaga n'obululu 310, Kadaga nga yafunye 97, so nga Ssemujju Ibrahim Nganda mu FDC yafunye obululu 15.